So let me just pause here and recap again what we did. The major part of this session was about functions. I gave you the definition of basic types. I gave you a lot of discussion about why types are, or more discussion about why types are important. And then we can have answers to your questions next time and discuss, maybe talk about types a little bit more in detail. There isn't a whole lot of, there's just 2 small sections here that you can just read. Okay. So please take a read. I want to say something very important to you guys. Just as this lecture is important, I've taken a lot of time to make sure that the website is readable and has accessible content for you, right? So please make sure you read through and interact with all the material on the website. That's all I wanted to say for now, but I want to pause and see if anyone has questions and comments and so on. And Manish, you have some poll as well quickly, right?
Right.
While Manish is launching his poll, okay.
Yeah, we'll finish this class in another 2-3 minutes. So.
Yeah, 2 minutes. Yeah, if you can give me a couple of extra minutes, that'll be great. Okay, quick poll. Based on my motivation and practice, the grade I expect to get is, let's see. I think you should have it, Manish. While Manish is posting the output from the poll. If you guys have questions, please. Oh, wow. Everybody wants A's. Okay. Okay, I will stress again, even though we talk about grades and everything. Understanding is just as important. Okay. Grades are only proof or suggestions that you understand. The thing I want you guys to do is practice. If you practice, that's really, really the most important thing. Practice and discuss. Okay, next question, Manish. One more poll and then we're done. While Manish is launching the polls, you guys can post any questions you have or even comments. How was the session today? Give me some comments. Did you guys? Yeah. I did not make it. Okay, so there's a discussion board on our website. And I haven't seen too much activity on it. I'm hoping that you guys will go and we can start interacting on the discussion board. Then we can have longer conversation, right? So please take this poll so we know what are the problems. Why can't we get more action on the discussion board? Thank you. Those who are commenting to me in chat, please please send me all your comments. I'm reading them. And like I did last time, I will go through the chat, and if there's any questions or comments, I will reply to them in a follow-up email as well, right? So please keep texting please keep chatting as we are talking now. Yeah, I think Akash asked about online material. I would say use the website, Akash. There should be more than enough content on our website right now to cover everything you need to know. Remember that learning is very, very complicated, right? There's so many things to talk about. And what I've tried to do is to give you a clean path to get you to the end point, right? So if you stay focused and go through the website, if you've covered all the material, come back to me. I can give you other things to think about. So I would say your primary resource right now is the website. Okay, so okay, so discussion board. So let's just go through. So many people are busy. And like I said, busy happens to all of us, so I sympathize. But make a plan. Some people are saying they don't know how to use the discussion board. So please reach out to us or next time I will give a demo of it. I feel shy. Yes, I feel shy too. By the way, I'm probably the most introverted of you guys. But I'm here because I want you all to learn. And you want to learn. So we have to overcome our shyness feeling. And we can talk about that too. I don't have any questions. So, there's parts on the discussion board that I want you guys to appreciate. One thing is, like, for example, just introduce yourself, right? And I'm sure somebody will have a question. So make sure that, you go and check out the discussion board. And I have posted already a couple of things that, like, for example, introduce yourself. So that way we get to know you a little bit. So just start posting a little bit and then the questions will start flowing. So please go ahead and do that. And then along the way, if you have any problems using it or accessing it, then we can help you with that. So try to generate some activity. When you interact with each other, there are some on the course who are more advanced than others. So you can help each other, right? But like I said, come back, make a clear plan of how much time you want to allocate to this activity and make sure you nail that plan. Okay, if you say it's 2 hours, it's 2 hours. Let's make sure we nail that plan. I will take some questions if you have. And of course, the comments I will read carefully, and I will send an email on comments. But if you have a couple of questions, you can post them, or you can even ask. Manish, you can, I think we're almost done. So if somebody has to rush away, you can rush away. I can give another 5 minutes if people have questions or want to make any comments. Any more questions? Yeah, Amit had a good suggestion about the Facebook page. I think people have not many questions. I don't see. So can I say thank you all for your participation? Please reach out to me with any question, however trivial it may be. Don't bother. Okay, I'm here to help you, and I'm a resource. So make use of it. Even if it's not a question and you want to make a comment, it's fine, right? And even if the question is not directly related to the content I've talked about, that's also fine. But make sure that you make your plan and stick to it, and your commitment to learning stuff. If you engage actively, we will make a lot of progress. And some of this stuff, especially the abstract thinking stuff, can be life-changing. So give it a chance. Make sure you stay focused and get your 2 hours or 3 hours in. And I'll follow up with email and will be available to you for questions. And we'll see you guys again next week. Have a great week, and good luck with your sessions and practice.